Good morning. Welcome to another special reading of Between the Covers. My name is Jeffrey Yorio, your host, and I thank you for your time and your ear. Today will be the last segment of my short story, Squatter's Rights. Colorado Superior Court, Aspen, Colorado. The plaintiff calls the spirit of Jacob Miner. Heads turned. Nobody wanted to miss this. A ghost testifying in court. A felingus cloud took human form. The dripping blood made a plop sizzle on the floor as it walked to the witness stand. The bailiff approached, a Bible in his hand. He was sweating. Place your hand on the Bible and answer this question. Do you swear to tell the whole truth, so help you God? Sonny, if God could have helped me, I wouldn't be here, but I do. You can be seated, said the judge. Don't need to, Your Honor. As you wish. Ben Cheveo asked, What worries you about this hearing? How Thaddeus can give away my house, which I never gave to him. So, your argument is that your child never had the legal right from you to sell or dispose of the property. That's right, sir. Can you prove he didn't have the right? The house went to my wife Candace when I died. She never mentioned giving the right to my then undeceased son. Which means she never mentioned that she didn't give it to him. You're a witness, Mr. Geist. Thank you. Mr. Geist walks to the witness stand, a twinkle in his eye. Jacob Mana, can you be killed? Asked Mr. Geist. I'm as brittle as you are, Sonny. Your client and his hussy wife destroyed my wife, evicting us from my house. Is that why you're suing my client? Ownership of the house? He's an orphan. Didn't know shit about his heritage until you contacted him. He thinks soup cans are a sculpture. Objection, Your Honor. The witness isn't answering the question. Sustained. Yes. Do you need the house to live? No. It makes living easier. Do you use money? No. In fact, you're the same as a pet. Never. The questioning continued back and forth for 2 more hours when the judge spoke. The court will recess for lunch and will resume at 2 p.m. The plaintiff will have the witness at that time. Mr. Manor, can you explain why the house makes living easier? Our world is a blurry negative facsimile of yours. I use energy for you to see me. Not so there. When life throws you under a punch, you roll with it. That punch passes through us, causing pain, Mr. Cheveo. The house gives you a better quality of life? Yes, I would smoke my pipe by the fireplace while Candace knitted. My condolences on her passing. Do you want any money or valuables from the estate? Nope, just the house and it being kept in good shape. You're a witness, Mr. Geist. You in your gig, sailing the protoplasmic oceans, plowing past the dangers of Scylla and Charybdis, to visit our world. You're a being of good wit, Mr. Miner. You're a snake. They smell perfume, I smell fast ambergris. Interesting statement. Do you know you could still smell? Sure, that odor wasn't yours. You can't do anything with property. How do you pay for your lawyer? I gave Mr. Chevelle my personal money. Really? That means you're a liar. You gave away property of the estate which you recently said you didn't want or need. Courtroom. The judge was sitting on the bench shuffling papers, making a few notes. I retired, escaped from LA to become a part time judge. No more media frenzy trials. Why me? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry it has taken so long for me to reach a decision. It's been tenuous for 3 weeks. It seems this case has attracted the attention of the world. I've examined all the evidence that was presented in this very unusual case, any precedent law I could think of, and court rulings on death, life, and what is brain death. The ruling of this court takes all this into account. The house and all its contents belong to Mr. David Plummer. However, Mr. Jacob Miner will be allowed permanent resident status of the house if he so chooses. The house must be restored to a livable condition and as close to the original condition as possible. Neither may do anything to hinder the other. Mr. Cheveo, you will return the property your client gave you as payment. Mr. Plummer will then pay you in cash your fee. Office of Guest Associates. David, sorry about how it turned out. You'll make a profit. I've a few nerves left, Paul. Profit? That house isn't fit for Callista and I to live in. The Colorado Historical Society has offered non taxable grants to restore the house. You'll clear a little over $1 million, not including whatever is in those unopened locked trunks, crates, and safe that was found. The work could be finished simultaneously to the arrival of your child. Congrats to you and Caliste, by the way. I have waived my fee. Why? Legal precedent has been established. He snapped his fingers and disappeared. His card was in my hand. Paul T. Geist. Thank you, and salute, and hope you enjoyed.